Today's guest is attorney Edward Johnson and his paralegal, who's a freelance paralegal, Corrine. Say your last name for me.
Swintoski.
All right, I didn't want to butcher it, so thank you for that. Their client was facing a murder charge, even though there was no direct evidence suggesting he committed the crime. But before we unpack the courtroom drama, let's get to know the people behind this fight and victory. So, Edward, what inspired you to be a criminal defense attorney?
Chris, thanks for having me on the show. I have a pretty well documented background. I thought I would save some money on legal fees if I just went to law school and represented myself. But, the pursuit of justice, and everyone gets in trouble. Nobody's perfect. And the important thing for me is just to have that basis and have someone's back. And the government oversteps. And we've seen what's happened with political candidates and all the way up to, somebody in your family who makes a mistake. They all need help. And it's nice to be there for people.
How about you, Corinne? You're a freelance paralegal. What
Yes,
drove
sir.
you to be a part of all this madness us lawyers choose to be a part of?
Well, I have quite a versatile background in the criminal legal system. I hopped around from being a probation officer to criminal court clerk to finally paralegal. And I realized that I love being an advocate. I love being zealous, and I couldn't really do that in the probation or court clerk realm. And personally, I saw various family members of mine, as well as friends, go through the system, and it was just a revolving door. They weren't getting the help they needed. And that was something that I wanted to be a part of to try to change that, ensure people's rights were upheld, and to make sure that it wasn't just a revolving door for them and they got the help that they needed.